Hi everyone, here we've got HOMTOM S9 Plus, and let me share with you how to change date and time settings on this device. So first of all, let's enter the general settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom, actually, to the system section. At the very top of it, we've got date and time, so just tap on it, and here we've got some options which we can customize. So first of all, we can decide if we want to use automatic date, time and time zone just right now, like right now, or we can set it manually. So in order to do that, just tap on this option, and as you can see, by tapping on turn off, we will be able to set the date and time manually. We can also choose use GPS provided time, so it's up to you, but let me pick this off option, and the date and time options right now are active, so we can freely tap on it. And here from this calendar we can choose the date we want to use, so let me pick, for example, something like that, and remember to tap on OK in order to confirm. The same situation with the time. Right now from this clock we have to choose the time we want to set, so let me pick this one. Remember to confirm it with OK, and as you can see, it immediately appears on the status bar. The same situation is with the time zone, so by tapping on this switcher we can turn off the automatic time zone, and we can set it manually. So just tap on select time zone, and here we've got all available time zones from which we can choose. So let me pick, for example, maybe this one, and as you can see, it is immediately applied, but be aware that after changing it, the time will also change according to it. Under it we've got also the clock format option, so right now we are using 24-hour format, but if you'd like to use 12-hour format, just tap on the switcher here to turn it off, and as you can see, it immediately appears on the status bar. So actually this is it. This is how to customize the date and time. So obviously you can go back to all previous settings, so simply tap on the switcher to use 24-hour format, here tap on the switcher to use automatic time zone, and tap on automatic date and time and to use network provided time. So actually that's all. This is how to set date and time in your HOMTOM S9 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.